Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up a very interesting and challenging radical equation. The given equation is 4th root of 337 minus x over 7 minus 4th root of x equal to 1. We have to find out real solutions. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation. Denominator cannot be equal to 0. So we'll write 4th root of x. It can't be 7. Consider power 4 both sides. So x cannot be equal to 7 power 4. It means x can't be 2401. 2401 is 7 power 4. Now I will cross multiply. So I will write 4th root of 337 minus x equal to 7 minus 4th root of x. After rearranging terms, I will write 4th root of 337 minus x plus 4th root of x equal to 7. Now let us use substitution. First, including 4th root, I will consider it is a. Second 4th root, I will consider b. So what I am going to consider, a power 4 is equal to 337 minus x. B power 4 is x. So once I will add both the equation, a power 4 plus b power 4, then this value is 337. Now from the original consideration, it was our substitution. So equation is a plus b equal to 7. So now we are having two equations of new system of equation. This one and this one. Now let us using binomial expansion and Pascal triangle, we will find our solution. Let's use it. Let me write here a power 4 plus b power 4 is 337 and a plus b is equal to 7. For power 4, I am going to write a plus b whole power 4 expansion. I need to know what will be the coefficient of expansion. So let me demonstrate here. I will use Pascal triangle 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 for power 2, 1, 3, 3, 1 for power 3, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. This is our required coefficient for our expansion. So I will write, see, this is a power 4, this is b power 4, this is a cube b, this is a b cube, and this is a square b square coefficient. So let me write a power 4 plus, let me take 4 common. So I will write in bracket a cube b plus ab cube. Then I will write our pivot 6 coefficient term, that is 6a square b square, and last term is b power 4. Let's put the value we know. A power 4 plus b power 4. See, it is available in the right hand side. So we'll put over there 337, and left hand side you will put 7. So let me write here. I will write 7 power 4 equal to 337 from a power 4 plus b power 4. Remaining term I will write as it is, 4a cube b plus ab cube and 6a square b square. Now I will take common. Something is common from the second bracket. 7 power 4 is 2401. Let me write 337 in the left hand side. So right hand side I will consider 4 times what is common, AB. So in bracket I can write a square plus b square plus 6a square b square. 2401 minus 337. So it value, if you will write, then it is 2064. And right hand side is 4 times AB. Now I will use one algebraic identity. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab plus 6a square b square as it is. Now let us put the value. A plus b is 7. So I will write 2064 equal to 4ab in bracket. It is 49. 7 square is 49 minus 2ab, and then I will write plus 6a square b square. Now I will consider C curly bracket is here. Now I will divide this equation by 2. So it will be 1032 equal to 2 times AB in bracket 49 minus 2AB plus 3A square B square. Now it is coming quadratic in A square B square. Once I will expand this bracket, I will be writing one quadratic equation. Let me write here 1032 2AB times 49. So I will write 98AB. Then 2AB times minus 2AB. So minus 4A square B square. And last term is 3A square B square. So now you can see it is 1032 equal to 98AB minus A square B square. So it is quadratic in AB. Let me take all the term to LHS. A square B square minus 98AB plus 1032 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. If you want, you can give substitution AB equal to some variable K. So let us consider AB equal to K. So we will write K square minus 98K plus 1032 equal to 0. Let's write K equal to AB. If you want to apply quadratic formula, you can apply. Let me use here factorization. 1032, if you will check, its factor is 86 times 12. And if you will add them, then it is our middle term. So let me split our middle term. K square minus 86K minus 12K plus 1032 equal to 0. Take K common from the first two term. So I will write K minus 86, and then I will take minus 12 common from last two. K minus 86. So factorization is done. You will take K minus 86 completely common. So you will have the second bracket K minus 12 equal to 0. Conclusion is K is equal to 12 and 86. And K was our substitution. It was AB. So AB value now we are knowing. Now you can see A plus B, it was 7. This is one common equation. Now we are having two equations. AB is equal to 12 and second equation is AB is equal to 86. Let us solve this system of equation 7, 12, 86. Let me write here A plus B is 7, AB is 12. This is one set, and second set is A plus B is equal to 7, AB is equal to 86. Now I will consider this B value from here 12 over A, and this value I will put in equation 1. So let us do that. So equation number 1 will be this equation A plus 12 over A equal to 7. Multiply with A square plus 12 equal to 7A. A square minus 7A plus 12 equal to 0. Let's apply Sridharacharya formula. Minus B, 7 plus minus under the root B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. 49 minus 48 is 1. So square root 1 is 1. So 7 plus minus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1, 8 over 2, 4. 7 minus 1, 6 over 2, 3. So we are having A value. A is equal to 4 and 3. Once A is 4 and 3, then B will be calculated from 12 over A. So 12 over 4 and 12 over 3. So B value is coming out 3 and 4. Now it's clear, A and B. Now remember, what was our B? B was this fourth root of x. So if B is 3, then we will find out the x value. X will be equal to B power 4. So if B is 3, from here, let me write B is equal to 3 and 4. Now we know that x is equal to B power 4. So we will write 3 power 4, 4 power 4. So x values, 3 power 4 is 81, 4 power 4 is 256. So we are having two solutions of this radical equation. Now this second system of equation we have to solve for the other solutions if it is real. A plus B 7, AB is equal to 86. A plus B equal to 7, AB is equal to 86. I will do the same task, same job. B is equal to 86 over A and I will substitute here. So let us do that and see what will come out from here. A plus 86 over A equal to 7. Multiply with A square minus 7A plus 86 equal to 0. So only need to check discriminant, B square minus 4AC. If it is negative, then complex solution, no need to further solve. So I will write here B square. So 7 square 49 minus 4 times 1 times 86. So it is 254, more than, means this value if you will check it is negative. So we will write here complex solutions as we are calculating the real solution. So this solution from the system of equation, it would be rejected. That means our final solution is x is equal to 81 and 256. You can put the value over here and you can check. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.